What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys everything Jasmy. Welcome back. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and the support on the videos. We're gonna keep crushing it. Go support all my previous Jasmy videos. We're getting the message and the word of Jasmy out there. The awareness is spreading, and I could tell because as soon as I started covering Jasmy, something special has been happening, man. Something special has been happening. It could be the crypto spaces effect. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I'm not a financial advisor. Never invest more than willing to lose in any project. And like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get all these videos to 10,000 views a piece. Let's crush it. All these Jasmy videos, y'all saw the transition to Jasmy. When I noticed the project, I discovered the project, I was like, I gotta get me a bag of this and start talking about it, because this is gonna crush it. This is gonna change people's lives, and millionaires will be made from Jasmy, right? So go support all these previous videos, get them all to 10,000 a piece, and this one that you're watching right now. Now the special thing that started happening when I started to cover Jasmy, a breakout. All of a sudden it stopped dumping, it started to go sideways, and now Jasmy's breaking out. I hope you guys had your bags packed, man. Look at this, it's pumping, guys, up 5.8%. Is it comeback season for Jasmy? This is a time when $1 is achieved. I wouldn't rule it out, man. We got BlackRock, $10 trillion asset firm, setting up their spot Bitcoin ETF, right? And who knows, they just might get a spot Bitcoin, a spot Jasmy ETF, because it is the Bitcoin of Japan, legally sound, full of set up. All the regulations and everything are fully set up for it. Who's to say that can't happen, guys? 95% of the Jasmy supply is out. That is great. Tokenomics, the full supply is out. So now, in my opinion, it's only up from here. Once we go full bull run, it's over, right? Once we go full bull run for Jasmy, it's over. This is why you buy, you DCA, you buy and hold. It's very simple when it comes to crypto. You buy and hold, and then you wait until the bull run to start taking profits. That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it. If we take a look at the latest, Jasmy is not death or scam from Tommy. Let's see. People are shilling other projects. My current bull season portfolio, Jasmy, right? Jasmy, big money. I'm bullish on Jasmy. Dear Jasmy friends, continue to DC into Jasmy. Sleeping Giant, big old buy signal for Millhouse. I'm bullish on Jasmy. Big old buy signal. India Metal Jacket, load up, guys. You don't want to wait until the whales notice the true potential of this coin, especially you know, the new technology that's being developed with the, you know, the computers and stuff like that for Jasmy, guys. I'm bullish on Jasmy. People are pissing their pants. I'm buying more. I only need 10 cents for Jasmy. And this is the thing, right? 10 cents to $1 is so possible, because look at what Shiba did, guys. You can't rule that out for the Bitcoin of Japan. Let's go. Jasmy US. Hey Jasmy fam, been a few busy final weeks of work. Today was my last day teaching summer break time. Woohoo! Join the Jasmy community this Sunday, July 18th at 2:30 for Jasmy Spaces featuring Curve Finance, IC, Amphibian, WC 3068, Rob T, and Lebo UK. Let's follow all of these guys, man. I just might hop in the space and take a listen. So this is what I'm saying. What is important for a project success? Not only is its utility, which Jasmy has an abundance of, and unique and innovative utility, it's also the community. Look at this. There's a community. There's so much community with Jasmy. There's so much community with Jasmy, guys. Like, it's one of the biggest communities I've seen. It's like, you know, the Shiba Doge community. Like, it's in the meme coin lane side of community, in my opinion. But Jasmy is far from a meme coin. So, right. So this is where the bullishness for me happens. The bullishness for me with Jasmy is that it has, you know, it's a super utility project, blockchain, team with huge you know, past experiences with Sony, huge partnerships, but it also has a huge community. And that's how the awareness, and that's how a project explodes, man. That's how a project spreads, when the community is super active as well. Look at this, right? Something like a project like Pepe absolutely exploded off utility, but long term it may not be as successful because there's no use case there. Jasmy has the ultimate utility, right, with the IoTs and, you know, securing your data, you know, the blockchain with the computer, secure blockchain, secure data, but it also has that huge community, right? From Hara, CEO, we are pleased to share material from Avida, Jasmy's Hong Kong partner, announcing the world's first blockchain PC. If you have any requests regarding orders or test use cases, please contact us individually. So the Avida blockchain PC is fully functional, and now they have a working product, just like the stock market. When you have companies on the stock markets that are stocks, they have their working product, and then you could invest in their product. Or there's, you know, consumers that don't invest in the stock market at all, that just use the product. So this is how a project separates itself from being just a cryptocurrency. Now you could consider Jasmy like a full-on company that consumers that have nothing to do about nothing, you know, they know nothing about crypto, but they're gonna be consuming the Jasmy product, which is their blockchain PC. And then guess what that does? Generate more revenue for Jasmy. So more development can happen, more marketing can happen. You know, maybe they buy back and burn the project. You never know, right? But this is just super bullish. This is great news. All of Avida laptop models are blockchain application ready, together with Jasmy secure PC solution for users who demand high security and privacy. Avida blockchain PC is your laptop of choice. Your PC is your choice of laptop, one single device for you to unleash the potential of blockchain technology powered by Jasmy. Jasmy Secure PC Solution showcases the capabilities of Avida laptops as blockchain ready devices. And since it's built out through Jasmy, all of your data will be protected. That was their goal. That's the goal they're trying to achieve, and they're getting closer and closer to that. Avida blockchain PC is equipped to perform blockchain related applications or tasks securely and smoothly. Blockchain technology as well, which is what it's built on. Harnessing the power of blockchain technology, Avida blockchain PC ensures the highest level of security and privacy. More blockchain applications to come. And then right here we have Jasmy breaking out from that EMA 12 plus the 200 SMA. Golden cross incoming on the hourly, and the candle wick is packed and ready for Jasmy's breakout. I hope you guys are packed and ready, because we have a golden cross happening, guys. This was a few hours ago, and that's why we're seeing this breakout in Jasmy, because of that golden cross. And I'm telling you guys, you know, if you were accumulating in this range right here, that's the best time to accumulate. But it's still, you know, early to get that 100k Jasmy. Still early to get that 100k Jasmy before it absolutely explodes from here. There's also a thread that I'll check out. Let me save this thread and bookmark it. I'll probably cover it in the next video. It's a great thread, and I gotta check that out. But the video kind of ran on a bit too long, so I'm gonna end the video right here with this tweet from Excalibur 13. Make sure I give everyone a follow. I definitely follow Hara. I have the feeling that everyone is starting to talk about Jasmy and finally realize the potential of this project. Yes, I agree. People no longer talk about the price, but about its future, usefulness, the use case. Finally, Jasmy will be as famous as ETH, Solana, or Matic. That's what people should be focused on, the use case of the project. But it's always great to see those green candles. You can't deny it. When we see those green candles, it's always great to see. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in to the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Jasmy super bullish. Millionaires will be made with Jasmy. I hope you guys stacked up, and if you haven't, you could still keep stacking up, man, because it's still very early. We haven't even had a huge breakout as yet. It's just on the brink of that breakout. So you know, 100k Jasmy was $350. Now it's $380. It's only a $30 difference. That's not a big deal, man. That's not a big deal at all. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with the rest of the Jasmy community. Let's get this to 10,000 views. Crush it, guys. I'm telling you, we're gonna get the project out there. We're gonna take this to $1. We're gonna take Jasmy to $1 and change, you know, all of our lives will change. Jasmy fam, thank y'all so much for watching. Once again, catch y'all in the next one.